Oh, smelts. Ooh, it smells like fish. Blaze, come taste the smell the fish. Smelts. Oh, AJ's feathers favorite. They fry up so good. They fry up so good. They fry up so good. It's a night of fried, but forgive us. Okay, we'll be right back. We got a little, we're gonna we salted these smelts. We got our bag right here. Drop a little flour. And the fish fry. And coat up our fish.
Money super size, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Ooh, welcome to Carter's Eat. Okay, this.
Oh, you head outside too? Hey!
They're in the bag. It smelts. It's a lot going on. There's the regular seasoned smelt, and Arthur is cooking the lightly salted smelts because of dietary needs. These were the ones that have already been in the freezer, crispy. Arthur found a new seasoning called golden fish batter. So we're testing that out as well. I can't cook without Louisiana. We just cannot fry fish without Louisiana. So this is called Andy's. Andy's. So we're just gonna batter it, put it right on top of these already lightly battered with some Louisianas that we had left over. And now I'm using Andy's. It's not a golden color, I'll tell you that. So that's a packaging faux pas. You want to use some canola oil if you can. And a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. The kids are in the pool, y'all. And I'll let you see. We're just going to toss. Nothing. Just toss these cute babies. Menopause Hottie is here, and these are her mother's favorites. So I'm going to send about 5 or 10 home with her. I believe we can spare that. There they are. Arthur's going to fry them up, and we'll let you watch. Make sure you click subscribe. Make sure you leave a solid comment if you've had Smelt, S-M-E-L-T-S. And be sure to share the video. You never know who in your family or friends or college classmates or people in your neighborhood who remember Smelts. Look at him. That's Mr. Arthur. 2 kids, AJ and Blake. 2 parents that live with us, me, Mom, and Papa. Had our kids at 40 and 44. I'm gonna drop these in the freezer and crisp them up, and we'll be right back to fry them with you. Hold the line. Ooh. I'll take you a little closer to Arthur. Like, what's that black thing? It's your shirt.
Sit behind down. You got company outside. Little small fish. Eat the whole thing. And twin, this is Smelt. A little small fish. You can eat the whole thing. Bone off. I was bending down. Well, yeah. Well, it does need salt. I didn't put it in there because your mama.
Right.
Her stomach is bad. She can't eat the salt. Fish. Fish. Little fish. Right? Where's the bone? Here's them too. Got it from Waffle House. A little bit of garlic. I'll show you where I got that. It came from Food Lion. Organic garlic. Like mine. A little light. Mine a little light. I'm gonna get them a little darker, but I like them a little light. That way they're nice and crunchy and good. And again, eating my 50s. All right, we're gonna pull them out. They're nice and crispy. There we go. Nice and crispy. And we're on to the third batch, which is mine. And then that'll be it for me. And I'll start on pizza. Start on her batch of fish, which she uses a different batter recipe than I do. I'm a person I like to taste my food. I don't want it battered all the way up and all I taste is bread. I don't taste for bread. I taste for fish. Some people just keep their batter or their flour after they cook. Don't do it.
Are those mine yet?
No, These are mine, the last one to go in.
I'll get you another bowl
For yours? Okay, so these are mine right here. This is it. The last one going in. Last one over the fence. There you go. All right.
Okay, here are your smelts that have been in the freezer. AJ's office gonna fry them up for you. And we're gonna put them in a separate bowl with paper towel and let you sample them. And here's one for you. Oh, there you go.
This is my 7th one.
And we'll taste them together, you guys. Whew. Nice and crispy. Can you see the crispiness? They're fantastic.
Hear that again. Sauteed Brussels sprouts. And garlic butter. Nice and crispy. Very little salt on it, so her mom and daddy can eat it. And then she's going to have hers salted to the hilt. Salted so much it'll make it further be salted so much it'll make a cow's butt buckle.
Okay, we are done. The kids are out of the pool. I've changed clothes and it's dinner time. Here is our smelt plated up with a tomato and some Brussels sprouts on the back here. But they are fantastic looking. Get some smelt in your life. Get there, get there, get there. Get there. Thank you for coming.
Like this one.
What's it called? Sour jammer. New Kool-Aid.
Yes, you know.
That sounds something you don't like.
She's having a mac and cheese mukbang. Are you
What, like every kind of mac and cheese?
Are you chewing it or are you just shoving it in your mouth? Are you even chewing it? You just swallowing it? You can't swallow it whole.
What?
Jesus, they got to chew the mac and cheese, Blake.
So what?
Blake.
It's soft.
Knock knock. Did you chew the mac and cheese or you just swallowing it whole?
Fuck.
No, baby, you gotta chew it. Chew it.
I did.
Let me see.
Now chew. Still going.
It's still that's gone too soon.
Ma, this is how I eat.
It's got a bone in it, y'all. So when you eat your smelt,
Yours don't already too?
pull your bone out.
Chew it.
Pull your bone
So you
out.
can eat it.
So you can eat it. And then you got to bring it to. Right, Blake. Right
Look the
into
camera
it.
at me.
Uh-oh. Bring the camera back to you.
Yeah.
Her mac and cheese mukbang.
I tell you that cheese pie, cheese tomato
The
pie.
tomato. You weren't expecting
I
that.
never heard of it. I said,
I don't think that's ours.
no.
But it was good,
At
though.
least that's what they got on days when we didn't cook. When the cook was off.
Oh my goodness.
But can I still get dessert?
And that's gonna be on. What do you want for dessert?
I know what I want.
Granny, Jesus. It's Mima's fault. Granny cake. That's what you
Right,
want.
she gets the whole granny cake. I get 3 Twix.
Not the whole grain cake. Yeah,
3 Twix. No sugar like that at night. Because y'all not going to stay up like you did last night. Till 12 o'clock at night.
I think I am. Cause I'm
I think you ain't.
that squash is good too.
Mom, I want granny cake.
She ready to go to bed right now.
Where's granny cake?
Oh my God.
Well, Blake got up with me at 6:30 and went with us to Waffle House
And spent up all day.
all day.
No, she's tired. The other ball, you napped and hold it.
Girl, isn't it fantastic?
We're the ones who bought it.
And Joyce, he made them carry it all through the store.
Was it heavy?
You ate the mac and cheese also, AJ?
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Hey, do you want your drink?
They're outdoors cleaning.
Have it? Yeah. That's your dessert. Yes.
Like you got to be sure you go to the bathroom.
No. No, you can still get.
I almost choked on the bone, family.
But I want granny cake. Like, I know, but just
I almost went down the blaze of glory. Y'all heard it.
granny cake.
Uh-oh.
If you like, the only way you can get granny is if you drink the drink. Do I drink the drink? If you drink the drink, you can get granny cake.
No, she'll be terribly full, and that's too much sugar.
Who's gonna drink the drink?
Mac and cheese.
Me mom drink the drink. But you know she wasn't gonna eat the mac and cheese, but she ate it all.
She did.
What she did?
And the soup.
Damn one.
Blake never ate so much.
She didn't eat all her fish, but
That's true. That's
she
true.
got two.
Yeah, I can't.
Why can't you, Blake?
Now save these smells. Don't throw them anyway. Don't stir. Get them out.
Yes, sir.
Save
Them. For who?
Let me just pass
me. Who else? I just lost it.
The thing is, I was over here getting ready to eat, and the bowl was here with the soup in it. This lady up to come and takes my spoon and starts digging
She loves soup.
and blowing. I had great
She
things.
started blowing on it.
Too hot.
Still eating my smell. Still eating my smell.
Might eat these.
No, thank you.
That's chicken.
Share the video, comment, commit, and stick. All my cute couch family and friends. Bye, Carterians. Bye.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.